on, guys? It's me, Linsay with LinsayMoore.com, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money online even if you're broke. So yeah, there are ways that you can actually make money online even if you don't have any money to start, but it does require some skills, okay? So before I talk a little bit further about this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also hit that notification bell so that way I can do more videos so you'll get notified when I do more videos like this on YouTube. So how you can make money online if you don't have any money, okay? So this is the one thing that you need to do. You need to increase your skill set pretty much, right? So one way you can actually make money online is go to YouTube University, like we're on right now, watch some videos, watch some trainings, and actually learn some things about, internet marketing, how to set up sales funnels, how to create capture pages, how to set up autoresponders, how to create emails, any of that type of stuff like that. The reason why I say that is because when you go when you're on Facebook or something like that, and you join one of these communities, like these Facebook group communities, there's going to always be people inside of these groups who are going to need help with these little small jobs, right? Maybe somebody's not really good at creating capture pages, effective capture pages, right? Maybe somebody needs help with with a graphic or something like that. And if you have any of those type of skills underneath your belt, then guess what? You can offer your services and earn income. Now, this is something that I was doing when I first got started as well. I didn't know it was called freelancing or whatever, but it was just that I was offering my skills to people. So at that time, like I said, I used to watch a lot of YouTube around that time because I was trying to learn any and everything about internet marketing. Like I used to spend like 3 to 4 hours per day watching YouTube videos, increasing my knowledge. So I knew how to create a capture page. I know how to write pretty good emails or whatever else that usually generate clicks. So that's why I used to offer my services, right? So if somebody needed help with that, I would tell them like, well, hey, I'll do this for you. You just pay me through PayPal, and we can go ahead and get everything straight, right? So that's how I was doing. That's how I was making some extra few $100s per month just by offering my skills to other people. Now, it doesn't really have to be limited to internet marketing. If you have any type of skills whatsoever, because if you have data entry skills, if you're good with customer service, trust me, there's a lot of online marketers who don't like to check their messages, who don't, who are really busy with their part of their business that they can't really focus on, the customer service part of it, answering support tickets or whatever else. And that's when you can offer your services, especially if you have experience in customer service. Why not reach out to somebody, maybe become their intern, not their intern, but their assistant or something like that. And that way you can start earning some income to help you fund your business until you're able to, work full time from home. If that's one of your goals or whatever else. And that's the reason why you're watching this video. Okay, so that's a really great way for you to start earning income, is to start freelancing. Now, usually when people hear about freelancing, they always hear about maybe Fiverr.com, where you can go to Fiverr, you can have somebody to create a logo for you, do all this type of stuff, maybe post your link on their social media accounts because they have a lot of people, a lot of fans on their fan page, or a lot of Twitter fans or something like that, and they'll post your link on there and they'll charge you $5 for that. That's a really good thing too. So if you have those type of assets, right? Let's say if you already have a really good, a nice sized email list, you can offer your services to promote somebody's link or whatever else to your email list. If you have Facebook fan pages, because maybe you have tried Shopify, right? And you have Facebook fan pages out there that have a few thousand fans on there. Well, you can promote somebody's product or service onto your fan page or whatever else and earn income from there. So you can definitely go to Fiverr.com, generate some ideas of what type of jobs that you can actually put out there as services, and people will reach out to you for help. Now, how you can get your first clients, like I said, guys, one way is to be on Facebook and you join these groups, right? So really popular groups are like e-commerce groups or something like that. You can help them to, if you're really good with writing, you can offer to write abandoned cart emails, and you can provide that as a service. If you're really good at designing stores, which is really good, because you have some people out there who don't want to design stores. You have people who are brand new, who are nervous about designing their own stores, or you have the experienced Shopify entrepreneur who needs to have several stores created, but they just don't have the time to do it. You can offer those services if you know how to create a store. And it doesn't even matter if you've never made a single dollar with Shopify. If you're really good at designing stores, then that may be something that you want to look into, because you can offer that as a service and earn income from it, right? So hopefully that kind of gives you like some memory joggers and kind of help you to get some ideas of how you can actually provide any type of service or any type of knowledge that you have when it comes to freelance marketing. And that way you can earn anywhere from a few $100s to a few $1,000s extra on the side per month. Now, what I want to share with you really quickly, guys, is how you can actually make freelancing a full-time job, actually replace your income, whether you want to travel the world and do all that type of stuff with the basic skills that you already know. I want to go ahead and show you something that I have been looking at, and it may be helpful to you inside of your business. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so right now we're looking at the members area of a new product called Freedom Profits. Now, inside of Freedom Profits, you're going to learn how you can actually crush it with freelancing, right? So the creator of this product, his name is Abdullah, and he was actually a college student that was $15,000 in debt, and he was able, just with freelancing, able to earn over $300,000 in income and profits just with freelancing. So now, just like I was saying earlier, if you already have skills and things like that as well, he's going to show you step by step how to hone in on those skills, how to add those skills to, you know, popular websites like Upwork and things like that as well, and how to start getting your first clients using free marketing. So you don't have to worry about any type of Facebook ads or anything like that, or any type of paid advertising. He's going to show you with free marketing how you can have success with a freelance marketing business. And then also, even if you feel right now that you don't have any skills or expertise to offer to anybody, actually you do. And what it is that most of us, including myself sometimes, we always take things that we do, like, you know, like the back of our hand as second nature. We think that is not valuable to anybody, and it really is, actually, right? So he's going to show you how you can actually figure out what skills that you're really good at. And again, it's not limited to internet marketing, right? So if you are good with data entry, customer service, anything else, computer tech stuff, graphics, or whatever else, he's going to show you how you can actually hone in those skills, and again, how to start making profits from them every single month, pretty much, right? And how to actually start getting an endless flow of clients, so that way, you know, you always have your pipeline filled, right? So inside of this, one of the modules here, you'll see he also has a case study on here. But inside of one of the modules, you see that it's the perfect proposal. So with this particular module, he's going to show you how you can make yourself more attractive to your potential clients, so that way they are sending you proposals wanting to work with you, instead of you always trying to figure out where the next sale is going to come from. He's going to show you how to do that. And again, guys, this is a really good training. He goes really in depth. There's multiple support groups for you to be a part of, so that way you can always have that support that you're looking for, so you will not be building this freelance business on your own. And like I said, people are having a lot of success with this, okay? So in addition to that, let me pull this up. Right here is my bonus bundle right here. So if you come over here, and I will put a link to this below the video in the description, you can actually see my full review of Freedom Profits, so that way you can get more information about it. And then also, you can get more information about the additional products that are inside of this course, any upsells they have in here that may be additional help to you as well. And then also, you'll get access to my bonuses. So the first bonus I'm giving you is 10 easy freelance jobs for beginners. So this way you can go post some jobs onto Fiverr, so you can go ahead and start generating some income. Now, the good thing about the Freedom Profits course is that Abdullah, if you go through the training, he will actually show you how to actually start having results on your first day. So that's why you definitely want to make sure that you go through that course and use this bonus in conjunction with what you're going to learn. Also, the next bonus that I'm going to give you is how this guy is actually making $30,000 per month with freelancing. So that's roughly about $1,000 a day just by providing his skills, his expertise, his knowledge to other people, and he is making $30,000 a month. Just like I said earlier in the video, guys, you can make this a part-time thing where you just earn a few extra $100 here, or you could take your skills that you already know, or maybe skills that you're actually doing at your job right now, right, and actually do them for yourself or your own business and earn upwards of $30,000 per month. Then the next bonus that I'm going to give you is how to get unlimited proposals as a freelancer. So again, you can use this training in conjunction with the perfect proposal module, so that way you have an endless, steady flow of proposals coming to you, so that way you can always have income coming in every single day. And then also the last bonus that I'm going to give you is an interview where this 20-year-old is going to talk about how he makes $20,000 per month with Upwork. So that's about maybe what, like $600 per day or something like that. And he's doing $20,000 a month with Upwork selling his skills. So like I said, if you're really good at creating capture pages and landing pages, you can make a full-time business from doing that, guys, right? There are people out here who are looking for your skills, okay? So again, underneath this video in the description below is going to be a link to this page right here. And this is where you can actually get a copy, of Freedom Profits, and then also all the bonuses that I had just listed in this video, okay, guys? So again, if you're broke and you don't have any money, you definitely want to start freelancing your skills, how I talked about earlier in this earlier in this video. But if you have a few dollars to spare, I really recommend that you use that as an investment into your business, into your knowledge. And again, it's only like $12 here, $13, and you can get access to this course and all the bonuses that I have just listed. So that way you can start turning, again, a freelancing job into a full-time business, so that way you can start working full-time from home. And this is just another option that you can do if you're not into Shopify or you don't want to do video marketing or anything like that. This is a great way for you to still work from home, generate your own income, and travel the world and live the life that you want to, okay, guys? So again, underneath this video in the description below is going to be a link to this page, how you get a copy of Freedom Profits. And also, comment below if you have any questions. Also, hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys. Peace.